play the next 6 holes and see how we can do out here. We're playing in the middle of a storm. I don't know what type of air storm this is or what avatar is out here doing their thing, but it's 40 miles per hour wind. You see the camera lady almost fell over. Jeff, how you feeling about today? What are we shooting? What are we?
You know, we're about to play a nice little scramble, and we just got to take into account the wind.
Oh.
That's it.
Big accounts.
Oh, shit. This is seriously a storm. But I'm going to show you how we weather through it. Nice.
Different type of wind out here, fellas. Different type of wind out here.
Sure is. Fortunate, sad news of events occurred. About 5 minutes ago, we were teeing off. Our balls looked good. Everything was wonderful, but for some reason, we can't seem to find our balls.
Lost them. They literally were perfect.
You know. Ooh, in the sand. Nice hit. I'll take yours, huh? Yeah. Oh, it is right to left. Oh.
Get in the hole, please. Have it at work. Yes.
We got to do a lot better on the next hole.
Okay, guys, we're at the 5th hole. This is our 2nd hole in the scramble. With wind like this, every hole's tough. You gotta look out for us.
Nice. I'm gonna bring this ball left to right, all right? I might be in that ditch. There it is. A little over the green. Sandpit. You got some wind too on left to right. Are you ready for this? It's our birdie.
Not far left enough. Two up over 2 holes. We haven't got one back yet, but we got a par.
We need like 4 back, bro. To be honest.
Say 4? All right,
Yeah, we need 4 back.
4 birdie challenge. Here we go.
Come on.
4 holes left.
Say no more. We're gonna make it on the green, bro. You feel me? Just see me right now. Nice. We're taking your shot, brother. Nice. For par.
Par for us. Didn't birdie like we wanted to, but that was honestly a tough. Oh my bad. That was honestly a tough par 3 in the wind like that. It's like from back there.
Very tough.
It was crazy.
I would have liked a birdie, but it. You know, we could take it.
Let's go. We got a couple more holes left. Let's see what we can do.
Ooh. Almost went down, bro. Nah, hell no. But was the hit good? That's all that really matters. Yeah, I think your shot's better, brother.
Yeah, that one might be. We can ask him though. We can knock and say, hey,
Is there a golf ball that broke your window?
get off your front yard.
Oh, that was nice.
My head go.
Behind you. All right. Nice shot. Not enough. Damn, gangster shot.
Long on the green.
Short of the green.
Then we gotta land it almost by the hole because the wind's gonna just like stop it.
Yeah. What degree is that?
56.
56.
Try to make this right here.
Oh, nice.
Stop. Not bad.
Getting used to it.
I think it'll be perfect. Yep. Yep. Nothing, Hoodie.
I don't know about all that left to right shit, but I'm gonna just make sure it gets in that fairway. I'm gonna do my best I can though. That don't count. We're still in the tee box. I lost focus. I started thinking about some diamonds and shit. Oh, nice. Short of the green.
This might be better though because mine's long.
There it is.
Not quite, but.
There's a lot of backspin.
Always a pleasure when we do the scramble together.
Yes, sir.
2 over, you know, we just started off slow.
Yeah, it was a windy season. We probably would have been 2 under, but we're 2 over.
We went 2 over at Camarillo Springs in Ventura County.
Camarillo.
California. Camarillo. So, you know, I think we had a great day on the scramble and definitely will come back.
Yes, we will, and we shall
Hopefully
shall
not so
conquer it next time.
Yeah, hopefully not so much wind next time.
Yeah.
Crazy, but yep, that's us. We're out. Jeff Jeweler and happy
Yes, sir.
Feelmore.
Have a great day.